Oh, hello Architecture Digest. It's me, your girl, Christina Wynn. So I live in a spacious one-bedroom apartment on the west side of Detroit. I love it because there's a ton of natural lighting and it's pretty affordable for this side of the state. Over here I have my musical instruments. Of course, these things follow me wherever I move. My prized possession is my Taylor guitar. Basically, this little corner is the living room. If you have watched older videos before, you know that I used to live in an apartment in Chicago and I called it the bungalow. Everyone's like, what are you gonna name your new place? And I decided to name it the Cove. I made this sign for it. I think it's super cute. Too bad I'm moving out. This is my entertainment center. I have 2 Bluetooth microphones. If you're a homie, you know we're gonna do karaoke, but they're just little tacky Bluetooth microphones. I've got 2 movies, one of the best, if not the best, rom-com. Shout out to Lanyo for introducing me to this movie because I love this movie and I could watch it over and over again. Collateral Beauty with Will Smith. Such a good film. This is not clean. Wii Remote's GameCube controller. I actually have this projector I bought off of Amazon. It's really great when you have a big white wall. I have a Wii. I still use it. To be honest, not as often, but took it from my parents. In here, I just have a lot of crafts. On my dining table, you'll, oh my god. It's a coffee table. It's a coffee table. Ugh. You'll find remotes, of course, for the Fire Stick, an iPad mini, some candles. This magazine was actually created by my good friend Sho Nimura. It's just clout for your coffee table. No, actually, it's really dope. This is a futon. I'm a huge fan of armrests because it makes it look less like a dorm room futon and more like a mini sofa. This is my little deck. I don't have anything on it. My friends like to jump off of this thing because they're batshit crazy, but whatever. I have lights strung up. It's really pretty at night. Over here, I have the beloved record player. Should I do a little record collect? You guys want to see what kind of records? Okay, yeah. Let's just make this video more extensive than it was originally planned to be. Give the people what they want. It's been a long time. Let's just go through my record collection, I guess. Frank Sinatra, Justin Bieber, Frank Sinatra, Big Mood, Kelly, Nat King Cole, Taylor Swift, Sinatra, Kendrick Lamar, Ed Sheeran, Travis Scott, Justin Timberlake. That is my vinyl collection. Continuing on over here. This is my banana leaf tapestry that I bought off Amazon. This is my snowboard. Our season has ended, my good friend. Over here is my dining table. I use it more as a workstation work area. Right above it is my 2 pictures from Chicago. This one I bought at an art store. This is a print I bought, but it is me with my girls. Over here I have a Cubs newspaper hang up from when they won the World Series. This is my green onion plant. Thank you, Grandma. This is my Echo. Sometimes she's deaf, but most of the time she does what I need her to do, which is just to play music. I got these 2 bar stools for $5 each off of Facebook Marketplace. Totally such a steal. What? Alexa, what's my notification?
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. You recently bought Fairly Odd Novelties 20 ounces solo cup on Amazon.
Okay.
How many stars would you rate it from 1 to 5?
No, thank you.
No problem.
Welcome to my kitchen. You have the beloved cast iron skillet. Up here I have my cute mason jars, little salt and pepper shakers. Only the goods. Only the goods. What I really love is just this open bar thing right here. This is what really drew me to the apartment. In this closet over here, I have in-unit washer and dryer. What? In-unit? Crazy. On the other side, I have a little shelving unit that holds all my laundry detergent stuff and my snacks. I'm working on it. Over here, I have my yoga mat. I do have my mirror that I took from my bedroom just so I can see myself while I do yoga and such. I got this cool photo rack. Yeah, these are just cute, fun little memories with all the homies. I was voted, I don't know who the hell voted me most likely to be a famous travel blogger. Thank you. So we make it through this way. This is like one of like the best gifts I've ever gotten, but when I graduated early, all my friends signed this map of Chicago that my good friend Tommy Tran got me. I have this other closet in the hallway that we don't really need to talk about, but my snowboarding gear is up there with my board bag and coats, my Amazon safety vest, some shoes. We walk over here, we can find the bathroom. The bathroom is not much, just, you know, the essentials. My makeup is over here, right below my little Frenchie wallflower. I try to keep this clean. Like, this is clean. This is clean. This is my bedroom. Oh, I love this. I just love this space. Let's continue on over to my closet. Like, why not, right? This is as clean as my apartment will be. I have my jeans on the left side, my shirts on the right side. For my jeans, I like to use little garden S-hooks. I could not fold jeans for the life of me, so it's really easy just to like hook them back up. Plus it looks really good. This is just my fall and winter clothing. This is just a really big rule of mine, is to only have at most 20 hangers up at a time. I think you should really love every piece of clothing that you have. This is my bed. My room is just my bed. This is just where I sleep. I've always wanted one of these ottomans to like put socks on, not like lay socks on, but put socks on, like sit on and put socks. Shut up. I store extra pillows, blankets, sheets, whatever, just for guests when they come over. I didn't want to commit to a bookshelf, so I saw this all around IKEA, but they took like crates and they stacked them up. I found this light at HomeGoods and I needed it, and it was only like 20 bucks. I have another Alexa in this room. For how much is in this room and how big it is, I think the rug really ties it together because it's a very contrasting color. It works, right? It just works. It's so cute. Yeah, that's the bedroom, baby. If you have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.